Hey YouTube, well, it's Christmas Eve and it's time to cook a prime rib. And here it is. It's a rather small one. It's 5.1 pounds. The bone's already been taken off. This is the way it came from Sam. So that's what I'm gonna work with. And I'm gonna be cooking it today on the pit barrel cooker. It's been a long time since I've used it. And I've seen a lot of good videos on it. People using the PVC to do them on, and including Noah. He's got a good video out there. So I'm gonna do it just like he did. This roast has been in the fridge with some salt overnight, and I took it out early this morning. So to get it up to room temperature, I've read where that's important to have it room temperature through and through to get an even cook throughout the roast. So that's what we've done. And what I'm gonna do now is I've got some garlic butter made up with some rosemary and thyme, and I'm just gonna slather it with that. Some people like to use olive oil, and I've seen other things, other marinades or things put on it. For flavor. I'm gonna put a little more salt on it. Alright, we just got sent a gift in the mail from our friends in Atlanta. They sent some of this thyme lemon, and it's from I think Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go on with a little bit of that. I'm gonna use some cracked black pepper. My hands are greasy, and you know what that means. Alright, we're going to use the pit barrel, so let me go find some hooks. I'll be right back. I'm going to try to hook this thing. I don't have a bone to go under, so I won't be worrying about a bone. Just going to do it like that. I'm going to turn it upside down. And the rod will go right through there. Do the same thing on the rods. That's how it'll hang. I'll meet you out at the PVC pit barrel cooker. Got a basket full of charcoal. Well, when I put the rest in out of this chimney, it'll be almost full. So that's where we are. So let's go down right in the center here. Real handy. Just kind of work those around. We're up to about 350. The coals have been lit for about 10 minutes, so we're going to put it on. Since I have a small one, I could get away with that. This is a 5.1 pound. Got it stretched out. Alright, I'm going to put this meat probe I think I'll run it right down through the middle. I don't think I touched one of those hooks. You don't want that. We'll find out. It'll give me a funky reading. Okay, it looks good. I just have the pit probe just hanging over in that hole. We'll just cover her up and let it go. I've opened my bottom vent up a little bit more than just all the way cracked. I think I'll need it to get the tips I want. We'll see. Right, we'll adjust this timer if we need to. I love using this thing. We can use it for multiple times. If I have several things on there, or keeping up with the time of several different processes. Okay, we've put it on, and since it's small, I've seen other cooks with 5-pounders, 5 and 6 pounders, and it looks like it should be about 2 to 2.5 hours. I'll keep checking it. I'll start probing it after an hour and a half, and then every 30 minutes until I get close. We'll keep an eye on it. We're going to take it up at 120. we want it medium rare, like most. And so that's what our plan is. You stay with me and we'll see what this thing turns out like. All right, check with you. Oh, this is so nice, listening to pretty Christmas music. Waiting on that prime rib for Christmas Eve dinner. Oh, look at there. Tubby's wanting some of that cheese ball. He loves cheese. We can't make him
No, you can't have this.
Ooh. Merry Christmas, honey.
Merry Christmas.
Can I have some?
Yeah.
I've been a good boy. Depending on who you ask.
Try not to get the nuts on here for you.
That's right. I can't eat the nuts. Diverticulitis problems.
I might have some in there.
Well,
I think I got them.
I'll use my grinders and grind them up. This is Piff and Jiff. It's Christmas Eve 2018, and we want to do a cheers. Cheers to you all.
Cheers.
For a happy and prosperous 2019. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Cheers, honey. Love you.
Love you.
Maybe we got that backwards, but just in case. Cheers, honey. Love you.
Love you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Enjoy your Christmas and your families.
Yes.
And be safe. 121 degrees internal temperature after an hour and 47 minutes. Had a false flag a little early. I'm getting ready to temp it with the finger top. I'm going to put this down right beside this meat probe. I don't understand what's going on here. The storm has got 121.9 sitting right beside it. This has got 113. Wow. I am really baffled. I don't know what's going on. That's got 97. You know what? It may be the way this thing thawed out. 105 on the end. $128 on the very edge. I mean, that's to be expected, but in the middle, 102. Ooh, I'm gonna have to leave it in there a while longer. Evidently, 107. I'm gonna go by the thermopop. I don't think that's right. The thermopop has always been right, and I'm gonna trust it. I don't know what's going on other than it didn't thaw out the same all the way through. I'm going to move that probe again. This is not supposed to happen, right? It's kind of baffling. Only thing I can figure out, it wasn't thawed out the same or the same temperature all the way through. Okay, one of them things. A good pit master will work around it. We're gonna check it again. It's showing 123 after 2 hours and 11 minutes. It's looking better. The glare on it. Yeah. All right. Let's see what the thermopop says this time. Okay. Well, that shows 131 now. Well, 123. I'm gonna go in this way. See, that says 114. I think the very center of this thing is not done as much as the outer third. That just means that the defrosting, it's different in the middle. That's what's going on with this. See, 119, 120. Well, I'm gonna pull it.
Yeah, and then it'll rest.
I'll meet you in the house and
right,
show
guys.
you what
This
we got.
is the reveal of the prime rib on Christmas Eve. I have no idea how this is going to look because, as you saw in my video, we had some temp issues. I don't know if it's going to be medium rare like we want it, or if it's going to be medium, or if it's going to be rare in spots. I have no idea, so we shall see. Let's go down and take this. It's been resting about 40 minutes. So there it is. Walk around that. Let me clip this string off. Go in and see what this thing is all about. I know the ends are going to be more done. So I'm just going to kind of come over here and cut. Oh. Okay. It's not overcooked.
Looks good to me.
That's definitely a medium rare, maybe even on the rare side. You can see the thermal pot was telling the truth. I might just slip this one on the end out and get a piece right off the edge here. Might even give Toby a piece tonight.
Yeah, he's waiting. He's looking.
All right, let's get us a piece and see what we're working with. Looks good, and it's medium rare to rare. Very good. We try a piece, Janet. Jiff.
It's really good.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
All right,
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna move these out here like this, and we're gonna take a couple of pictures, and then we're going to serve our plates. We're grabbing for some other pieces.
Tender.
Let me have the camera back, and I'm gonna take a few pictures while you uncover the sides. Janet has some sides. She's gonna show us what we're working with. Hold on. All right, we've got beautiful prime rib dinner with salad, the salad trimmings, nice rolls, scalloped potatoes, and sweet carrots, glazed carrots. That, my friends, is dinner, Christmas Eve 2018. Until next time, this is Phil and Florence.
Janet and Florence.
That's
Merry
right.
Christmas.
Merry
We
Christmas.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.